Preview.
Hello friends, this is Manigandan, founder and CEO of LeTechs. In this video, you will learn how to add, remove and reorder symbols in quotes and how to understand quotes display datas. In our last session, you learned how to download and install the MT5 application and then how to log in your trading account in the MT5 mobile application. So before seeing this video, still, if you don't have a trading account on best Forex brokers, check in this video description box, click on the account opening link and create your trading account within 2 minutes. So next, come to the video topic. The first things, open your already installed MT5 application in your mobile. Now you can see the market quotes page. Here you can see some default trading pairs. Here maybe some unwanted pairs display and same as some your favorite trading pairs not showing or missing. First we will see how to add your favorite trading pairs to this watch list. Just tap on the plus icon upper right side corner. Now display the pairs based on category. So you can tap on a category name to enlarge the symbols list. Then tap on the symbol name. It has added in the main screen quotes list. So I will tap on Forex major. So I want to add Euro USD pair. So Euro USD, just tap on Euro USD and USD JPY and USD CHF. So all the pairs are added into my watch list. So see here Euro USD, USD JPY, USD CHF. And other option, so suppose difficult to find your favorite pairs from the symbols category, just type the symbol name on the find symbols input box. So now I want to add gold. So gold symbol name is XAU USD. So I am searching XAU USD. Select the pairs from the matching symbols list. So it's showing the matching pairs. So I need just XAU USD only. So this is a gold versus US dollar. So just I am tap on XAU USD. So it's also appeared. So now my favorite all pairs are added into my watch list, but some unwanted trading pairs display in this watch list. So I want to remove some unwanted trading pairs. So next we will see how to remove unwanted trading pairs from the quotes watching list. Tap on the pencil icon top right side corner and again tap on the trace icon in the top right side corner. Next, select the what are the pairs you want to remove from the watch list. So I want trade USD CAD and Euro GPP. Okay, so it's enough. So even Euro JPY also. Next, I want to remove USD CAD, Euro JPY and Euro GPP. So I am selected. Next, again tap on trace icon in top right side corner. So now selected trading pairs are removed from or disappeared from my watch list. Okay, so we will check. Yes, it's removed from my watch list. The third option, how to reorder my trading pairs. So actually in my trading list, in topmost XAG silver pairs GPP USD, GPP JP, Euro USD. So I plan to reorder first currency pairs and finally commodity gold and silver pairs want to list. So next we will see how to reorder our trading pairs. So again tap on the pencil icon top right side corner. Next tap and hold the symbol and you can move pairs up or down according to how you want them to reorder. So already I told you I want first currency pair. So I want first pair is Euro USD. So just I am tap on Euro USD and move on up and again GBP USD. So next USD JPY, next USD CHF, next GBP JPY, next XAU USD and finally XAG USD. So reorder are finished. So next I go back and seeing your watch list order has been modified based on your favorite positions. So your reorder positions also completed. So finally we will see how to read the watch list data we will select the first one pair to understand the data. So first we will select Euro USD pair. In the right side, large and bold two datas, 0.96 triple eight one data, another one is 0.96900. So another one data. These two datas meaning mark Euro USD buy and sell price. So this means or mentions Euro USD buying and selling price. So buying price means the right side data 0.96900. This is the buy value. 0.96888, this is the sell value. Okay, so at present, at current value, Euro USD 1 euro versus US dollar, buying rate 0.96900, selling rate 0.96888. Okay, so next, the bottom small and gray color data, two data. So L. Okay, so first one is the L. So this means today market lowest trading price, and the L mentions today Euro USD trading lowest price 0.96680. Next data H means today market Euro USD highest trading price 0.98517. So this is the highest today. Okay, so today market highest trading price, right side data 0.98517. Lowest trading data 0.96680. Okay, so almost these four data you are understand. Next we will see the left side data. So left side topmost data minus 1491 95. This means today market price changes from the opening to till now. Minus 1.52 percentage means market value fall down 1.52 percentage from the today opening. Next in the bottom 20, 54, 59 is the server data. So current market server data. Next 12 mentions market spread. So spread means difference between buy price and sell price, the spread. Euro USD the pairs. Suppose if you no need to this advanced level data, you can just tap and hold. Some options are showing. You can just tap on again symbol view mode. So you won't see in the some other details, just trading pair and buy price and sell pairs. Suppose if you need the advanced mode, just again tap and hold, select advanced view mode. So mostly this is the good for trading. So some advanced level data are showing. So you got the knowledge about how to add symbols, how to remove symbols, how to reorder the my watch list symbols list, and finally how I understand the watch list advanced level data. So almost you learned about this. Suppose still if you have here any doubts about this topics today lessons, just text me in my WhatsApp. So my WhatsApp numbers displayed in the screen top positions, or otherwise leave your comment in under this video comment box. So I will try to clarify you shortly. Okay friends, okay, thanks for watching this video.